Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to show you guys how I made the press-on design I posted on my Insta story. The first step is going to be the acrylic application. I am just taking the first bit of acrylic and placing it at the free edge of the press-on tip. I'm just patting down or tapping that down, then I work my way down to the tip of the press-on like so. And I'm going to take out the excess if there is any excess. Then I'll go in with the second bit of acrylic, placing it on the middle part of the press-on. Tap, then blend. And then for the third step of acrylic application, I'm going to take the third bead and place it on the cuticle area of the press-on. Tap and blend, or I'm going to drag that down and then blend it. So this is the acrylic application for this design. I'll just go ahead and file and buff off camera. So for this design I am going in with my black gel polish from Gorgeous to sketch out the bear or the teddy bear, I don't know. So I'm going to sketch that like so. Then I'm going to cure in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then we'll move to another stage for the design. So once this is cured, I'll go in with my purple gel polish from Gorgeous. I'm going to fill in the face, fill in the body, and then the belly parts. Dry or cure in the lamp for 60 seconds before using another color to fill in the eye, the ear, and then the nose. So for the second design of this set, I am using purple gel from Gorgeous to create my French tip. Then I'm going to use my flat brush to fill in that part like so. I am not going to dry in the lamp. I'm just going to go ahead and pour my purple glitters on the purple gel polish. I am using the purple as a base so that the glitters can stick on properly. Then I will dry in the lamp for 60 seconds and then add top coat. So this is the finished look for this design. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in my next video.